Proteins are incredibly important for the survival and proper functioning of all living organisms, including humans. They are involved in a vast range of biological processes that are essential for life. Without proteins, the intricate and complex systems that sustain life would not be possible. Proteins also have a crucial role in the body's immune system, acting as antibodies that help to fight infections and diseases. They are also involved in the body's communication systems, with certain proteins acting as signaling molecules that coordinate cellular activities. Here are 6 fascinating facts about protein. Protein is an essential nutrient for our bodies, but consuming too much of it can lead to harmful effects, including death. When we eat protein, our bodies break it down into amino acids, which are used to build and repair tissues. However, excessive protein intake can overload the kidneys and liver, leading to organ damage and even death. Therefore, it is important to consume protein in moderation and to choose sources that are safe and healthy. Scientists have discovered a massive protein called titin, which is the largest known protein found in nature. Titin is a structural protein that plays a critical role in the contraction of muscles, and it helps to keep our muscles and tissues elastic and flexible. The titin protein is exceptionally large, with more than 38,000 amino acids. In fact, it's about 100 times bigger than the typical protein. Despite its massive size, titin is essential for maintaining the strength and elasticity of our muscles, and researchers are still studying its other functions and potential applications in medicine and biotechnology. Human hair is primarily composed of a protein known as keratin. This protein is also found in other parts of the body such as the skin, nails, and animal feathers. Keratin molecules in hair form strong and durable chains that are tightly bound together, creating a resilient structure. Aside from keratin, other proteins like collagen, elastin, and enzymes are also found in hair. These proteins contribute to the hair's flexibility and strength, making it less prone to breakage and damage. PIKACHURIN is a retinal protein that is named after Pikachu, the lightning-fast and agile Pokemon from the popular franchise. This protein plays a vital role in maintaining good eyesight. PIKACHURIN acts as a glue that helps to bond different layers of the retina together. These bonds are essential for the proper functioning of the retina, which is responsible for converting light into electrical signals that the brain can interpret. When these bonds are misaligned or misshapen, it can lead to various eye ailments, including retinal detachment and loss of visual acuity. The red color of blood is due to the presence of a protein called hemoglobin, which is present in red blood cells. Hemoglobin is responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body, and it binds with oxygen to form a complex called oxyhemoglobin. This complex gives blood its characteristic red color. Without hemoglobin, blood would not be able to transport oxygen efficiently, and our cells would not be able to function properly. Insects are gaining popularity as a sustainable protein source, and for good reason. Not only are they abundant and easy to farm, but they also contain high-quality protein that can rival traditional sources such as meat and dairy. In fact, some studies have shown that certain insects can provide all of the essential amino acids that the human body needs to build and repair muscle. While the idea of eating insects may seem unappetizing to some, many cultures around the world have been enjoying them as a delicacy for centuries. Thanks for watching this video. We hope that this presentation on intriguing information about proteins was interesting and informative. Please don't forget to support us by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss out on any exciting content coming up.